commitment of weekends or for commitments of like about 12 hours in a month. So that's how the commitment looks like. It's not a full-time commitment because a lot of artists that we work with are professional artists in their everyday lives, and teaching is not something that they do full-time.
Sure, thank you.
Is poetry madness or a bit of truth? A philosophical question I got. I'm unsure if I'm the suitable person to answer that, but I think it's both. Yeah. There's this beautiful story about how poetry is the beauty which hides what is not great to look at in the truth. So I would call it that.
There was also a question by Vedavali school teachers that do you have some theater ideas to take to the classroom?
A lot of theater ideas. The only unfortunate part with a webinar is that explaining a lot of theater stuff on a webinar is very, very difficult because theater is very, very physical. One very quick idea which I can give you is it's called the burning ball in theater. It's a game idea that all children get into a circle, and then the teacher becomes the narrator, and the teacher tells what shape or size the ball is taking. So there's a ball. So imagine this ball is very, very small. So this person, takes the small ball, and now this ball is burning. So now the next person who catches the ball acts like it's burning. And then the teacher can do that storytelling of now the ball is so big, you can't lift it. So the kid goes like, being crushed under the weight. So that's one game you can take to your class. But if you Google theater games, you will get so many theater games. And even the name game that we played, that's also one of the theater games you can take directly back into your classroom. Not just for children like memorizing their own names, but also for maybe memorizing if they have to memorize something, maybe something around a theater game, which is about clapping, can be done.